Welcome to Mosam Purvanuman. This is the Cyclone Niwar special bulletin update for the South India. As of now, on 24th of November, 5:30 hours of IST, a cyclonic storm Niwar has been formed near the southwest Bay of Bengal, and it is likely to move west-northwestward towards the Tamil Nadu coast. We will see the track in the next image, but right now we can see the tremendous amount of clouds are rotating around and wrapping around the eye of the storm. Actually, eye is not right now formed, but later on there is eye will be formed. The process is started, and the one more significant feature is the outflow of the system is quite visible. We can see the outflow is right now over Telangana, Odisha and Pachim Bengal. Right now in the morning hours, the cloud configuration has been increased over the South India, especially the coastal Tamil Nadu region, right from Chennai, Puducherry and up to the Tiruchirappalli and again westwards. The whole coast has been covered with the tremendous amount of thunder roaring clouds, and chances of some thunderstormic rain has been increased over the coastal areas. If we see the model or the forecasting track of this cyclone Niwar given by the India Meteorological Department at 5:30 hours of IST on 24th November, it is likely near here over the southwest Bay of Bengal, around 450 kilometers away from the Chennai and 410 kilometers away from the Puducherry. It is very likely to move west northwestwards. Right now the speed around the cyclone is up to around 63 to 65 km per hour. It will gradually increase during next 12 hours and become 81 km per hour, 81 to 84, and during late evening it will reach a severe cyclonic storm category. That is, wind speed are around 90 km per hour and increasing up to the 110 km per hour and moving towards the coastal Tamil Nadu. May cross the coast around 25th of November afternoon or the evening hours between Karikalam and Mahabalipuram, Karikal and Mahabalipuram near the Pondicherry region, and likely to move west northwest towards Bangalore as a deep depression, and then again inside the interior parts of Karnataka as a depression around 26th to 27th of November. And if we see the wind warning between Chennai and the Tiruchirappalli, the wind speed is very high, up to around 62 to 91 km per hour, gusting up to 110 to 120 km per hour cannot be ruled out. And the same wind speed may likely to reach up to about Salem, Bangalore, Nellore and the southern Rayalaseema region. We can see there is a blue mark, that means wind speed is up to around 62 to 91 km per hour, and in the black region, that is up to the Madurai, some parts of Coimbatore, Mysore and surrounded region, and more parts of the southern Karnataka, Rayalaseema, southern parts of the Andhra Pradesh, will see the wind speed reaching up to 52 to 61 km per hour.